Brain and emotions. How do we think and feel? Have you ever cried at a movie and wondered why it touched you so deeply? Or felt your heart race during a scary moment, even though you were completely safe? These feelings, these reactions, are not just in your heart. They begin in your brain, and to truly understand why we feel joy, sadness, fear, or love, we have to take a journey inside the most powerful and mysterious organ in the human body, the brain. The brain is more than a collection of cells and signals. It is the control center of everything we are. Every thought, every memory, every emotion starts there. And yet, most of the time, we don't even notice it working. We go through our day laughing, worrying, dreaming, and we rarely ask why or how it all happens. But when we do ask, we uncover something amazing. Our emotions are not random. They are carefully created by the brain to help us survive, connect, and grow. Let's begin with a small area deep inside your brain called the amygdala. This tiny structure plays a big role in how we feel fear, anger, and excitement. When you're scared, your amygdala activates instantly, preparing your body to respond. That's why your heart beats faster, your muscles tense up, and you feel alert. It's your brain protecting you. But the amygdala doesn't work alone. It communicates with other parts, like the prefrontal cortex, which helps you think rationally, and the hippocampus, which stores emotional memories. These parts work together like an orchestra, blending reason and feeling into one beautiful, complex song. So why do we need emotions in the first place? Because emotions are guides. When you feel happy, your brain is saying, "This is good. Do more of this." When you feel sad, it's telling you something matters. When you feel guilty, it helps you make better choices next time. Emotions teach us, shape us, and connect us to others. Without them, we wouldn't know what to value, who to trust, or how to love. As we grow, our emotional brain grows too. Children feel emotions intensely because their brains are still learning how to manage them. Teenagers often feel overwhelmed because their emotional systems are strong. But their thinking brain, the prefrontal cortex, is still developing. Adults continue to learn emotional control, and older people often gain deeper emotional wisdom, finding peace in simplicity and connection. Modern science also shows how emotions affect our health. Chronic stress, for example, can overload the brain and weaken the body. But emotions like love, gratitude, and joy actually release chemicals that heal. That's why hugging someone, laughing, or being kind isn't just nice, it's healthy. It literally changes your brain, and perhaps most beautifully, emotions help us connect. When we see someone cry, our brain feels their pain. When we laugh with friends, our brains release the same happy chemicals. This shared emotional experience is what makes us human. It's what builds empathy, families, communities, and even nations. In the end, the brain and emotions are not separate. They are two parts of one truth. We are thinking beings who feel deeply. And feeling deeply is not a weakness, it's a strength. It helps us build meaning in a world that's sometimes too fast, too cold, or too confusing. So the next time you feel overwhelmed, remember, your brain is not broken. It's working, feeling, protecting, and growing. Every tear, every smile, every heartbeat is proof that you are beautifully, wonderfully alive.